Mabuhay! Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and if you're new to my channel, I am Victoria. So for today, we're going to do another unboxing video. This time around is going to be from Bling Box SG. See this nice packaging. If you want to know what's inside my Bling Box SG for the month of September, keep on watching and let's get started. Okay guys, I've been a subscriber of Bling Box SG like a few months back. I do have a few videos wherein I did an unboxing video of their accessory subscription box. If you're interested, I'll put the link on the description box below. Don't ask me why I stopped because I actually can't remember. And so I saw them again on Instagram because I think they celebrated their anniversary or something, and I got excited because I did love their accessories. Actually, these earrings, you seldom see me wear dangling. Why am I pointing? You seldom see me wear dangling earrings on my channel, and I do once in a while. And these are the earrings that I actually got from one of their boxes. I do forget now which box it is, but it's this pretty dangling earrings. And my all-time favorite is actually this. Can you see? I'll take a photo, and yeah, the bow type kind of ring, and I love it. So I was so excited and I dropped something. Hold on. When you take it out from the pouch that it's bubble wrap pouch, you get this box, and each box you're supposed to get like 5 or more quality accessories. And for they do have monthly themes, and it costs you $39.95 for a month, and they do free shipping to Singapore and other selected countries worldwide. So this is their new box. I do have the old one. See, I still keep my box. I'm quite a hoarder of boxes. So this is their older box, like a few months ago, and this is their new one. I'm excited to open it up. Okay. So once you open it up, you do get like this. Oh, now it's paper. It used to be like this felt thing. And they have a card. There's this card. Let's open. Oh, they didn't have this when I was like a subscriber, like yeah, a few months. It's actually a silver cleaning cloth. Yeah, it's something good to have, although I do have a few because I do purchase them because I do own a few silver like jewelries. And they have this card that do it make it happen, and with this gold lip. And at the back is a blank card. I do hope that at least they put a handwritten note. ColourPop does that, so yeah, like any note, like thank you, something like that. And inside you do get this card wherein they say the September Bling Box Boss Babe, and behind you do see all the items that you actually get, which is kind of cool because when I open boxes, I want to know the price and what it is actually, so it would help me out. Let's open the box now. I didn't even peek. I'm not so sure what's inside, but yeah, now I know because I do have the card. But oh, this is so cool. They now have like a pouch with the Bling Box like logo and all. This is nice actually because I can reuse pouches. I love pouches. So let's drop everything inside, which I already dropped. And let's go to the first one. It's the Believe Mantra bangle, and it does cost like $34.95. I love bangles. I'm a fan of like reminder bangles. If you're not familiar what a reminder bangle is, it's actually a bangle and it has an engraved word or quote in it, and I wear it every time. She believed she could, so she did. It's one of my favorite quotes, and yeah, I love it. Wait. I need to wear it now. Okay, it's kinda difficult to like bend. It's hard, so it means that it's sturdy. So you just have to, yeah, then you just have to wear it like this. Oh my goodness, I would be wearing this. So, Believe Mantra Bangle is $34.95. Wear your heart on your wrist and be empowered by this sleek stainless steel beauty. If I forgot to tell you what is the theme for this month, is actually Boss Babe. Oh my goodness. I like this as a winner. Next is the glitzy bow tie collar. Why would I be wearing this? But okay, I can actually give it to like some of my younger nieces if they are into it. So it actually looks like this, and it does retail for $29.95. Wear with a colored top or accentuate your your décolletage. Command the boardroom in every way. If I've known, I should have worn a colored top, but it's cool, it's nice, and yeah, you have to give me time because I need to put it back. The next is is this Bejeweled pen, which retails for $19.95. Map your thoughts in style with this gorgeous diamond pen. So, oh my goodness, you can cast spells. Diamond is a girl's best friend, as they say. So it's actually a twist type of pen. I do love it. I'll put it on my like kind of office outside wherein I do all my editing, my research and all. And it's such a blingy thing. It's nice. It's nice. Oh, okay. I love this. The next is the encrusted single ear cuff. Show people who's the boss with this edgy yet polished piece. Shall we try this on? I have to remove one of my... Okay, let's remove this and try it. The next one is the geometric... Why am I laughing? Geometric stacking rings, and it costs like $19.95. Victoria, stop saying make a gesticulating at meetings more fun with this gorgeous set of finger rings. We're not yet finished. And this is something new with them. They do give you like a beauty bonus, and for this month you do get the Maybelline New York Color Drama Intense Velvet Lip Pencil in Light It Up. So it actually costs $15. Oh, so it's like this. This is how it looks like when you open it up. And let's watch it. Is this red color? I'm not wearing it. I know I'm wearing red lipstick now, but it's another brand. But I don't want to remove this because I'm trying it on. But yeah, maybe one of these days you'll see me wear this. But it's red. It's my favorite color, and I like it. Oh my goodness, Bling Box. I'm so pleasantly surprised. I felt that it was actually a level up from the boxes that I gotten previously. And so for their next month box, why am I stammering? For their next month box is actually Too Cool for School. Okay, I'm not in school, but I do work in a school, so we'll see. I'll be purchasing my order like, yeah, soon. And if you do purchase their subscription box, do take note that they ship out every third week of the month. I'll put all the information in the description box if you're interested, but I love this now. Yeah, love it. So if you like this type of videos wherein I unbox subscription boxes, because I do just love doing it, because it's like your birthday. You don't even know what you're getting. So, but this time around, I'm excited. I love this. And yeah, if you like this type of video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, because I do upload videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays. Till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!